Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. So, once again, I'm talking about the huge news of the Filecoin, and we discuss in this video the huge gains occurs by Filecoin at this month. Before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. And please complete my 10,000 subscriber. If you complete, I'm going to announce a giveaway. So please complete 10,000 subscriber and stay active on my channel, my friends, for a giveaway. Now let's see the latest update of Filecoin. What's going on this time in a Filecoin? So first of all, if we look the latest price update of the Filecoin, so 87.27 USD dollar is the current price of the Filecoin in the market. My friends, at this time the Filecoin is very expensive coin. So if you invest in this time, so they're on the jumping mood. If 1%, if 2%, if 10% the price increase in this month, so absolutely you will get a high amount of profit. And now at this time the pricing is positive, so that is why I recommend for everyone it's time to invest in a Filecoin, my friends. Last 1 hour pricing is positive, so now at this time the price take a pump, my friends. Please invest now. And if we look the price chart of the Filecoin, so the price chart is going positive. In the start of June, the Filecoin take a jump. And absolutely, if you hold, you will get a profit, my friends. At the previous time, the price falls down very badly. And the last 1 month pricing is still negative 42.88%. The pricing is still negative, and you can see here the price is 154.14 USD dollar, and now the current price 87 USD dollar. Oh my god, absolutely very bad jumps occur in the Filecoin in the previous month. So how do you feel today about the Filecoin? I'm feeling very good because now the last 1 hour pricing is positive. Please tell me in the comment box how do you feel about the coin. And what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Filecoin? Tell me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends.